Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And now we are into progress 3, which is configure web server. So in order to do that, we need to install the package first. Okay, we go to the terminal and then type sudo apt get install aperture 2. Okay, now as you can see, I have already downloaded the aperture tool, and we go to the Mozilla Firefox. So as you can see, this is the localhost, and we want to edit this one here. And then in order to do that, we type sudo nano Okay, as you can see here, there's nothing. Okay, as you can see here, the original code of the OS Progress 3 that we've seen just now is written here. So if you want to change something related to your project, you can change in this area. So I'm just edit by mural and then okay. Make sure you have this code also. First of all, Hotmail, hey body, body, Hotmail, and then save. So in order to check that, we can simply go to our Google Chrome and just type our IP address. As you can see, there's our edited just now, and you're done. Thank you for watching.